Just an update on this little diesel heater, Chinese diesel heater. I had it running for sort of 15-16 hours the other day, and I put it on a new setting where you can set the temperature you want it to go to and set it going, and it does exactly that. It gets up to temperature, then starts to go on to a trickle. Now I used, I reckon, about 2.5 litres of diesel, whereas I think if I'd have set it how I normally set it, and that's on trickle, well, half the trickle speed, probably would have only used 2 litres. But that's how it goes. It's still, I mean, for 16 hours, 15-16 hours, it's still a good ratio at 2.5 litres. It got the greenhouse up to 12, just over 12 degrees, and it must have stayed like that all night, because obviously if it drops down in temperature, the machine kicks back up again to full power to warm it back up again, and I think that's where it used the extra diesel. Whereas if I set it up like I normally set it, it's constant, it doesn't deviate at all. Okay, I've been asked about the exhaust outlet. The black pipe down there is the exhaust outlet. Now they have to be covered in that exhaust tape, obviously, because it does get rather hot. So you can be warned about that one, and we'll have a look outside as to where it's coming through. And here we are. This is the outside of it, with a little exhaust on the end. So that's it basically. Now I was asked about fumes. With running it on low, you do actually get a little bit of exhaust fume, but it's not chronic. Inside the greenhouse you don't get any fumes or smell whatsoever. So I think that covers it basically. I know you can get kerosene for these things, but I would advise trying to buy it from friends and family who's probably got home heating, because to buy it from a garage, it's damned expensive. Okay, we'll call it a day with this one, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.